In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy password. If you need to update your password for security reasons, or you simply want to create a new one that's easier to remember but still secure. This process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the page where your account options are usually displayed. This is where you'll be able to access the settings connected to your profile and security. Next, click on your profile. This will open the main account menu, where you can manage different personal and account-related settings. From there, select Account Settings. This section contains the important controls for your account, including login and security preferences. After that, click on Security. This is the area where GoDaddy keeps the settings related to protecting your account, such as password management and other security options. If you're ever making account changes like this, it's a good idea to double-check that you're on the official GoDaddy website before entering any login information. Once you're in the security section, click on Password. This will take you to the page where you can update your current password. Here you'll see the fields where you can enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Be sure to enter the same password in both boxes so the update will go through correctly. When creating your new password, try to make it strong and secure. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using anything too obvious, like common words or personal details. If needed, consider saving it in a secure password manager so you don't forget it later. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it, click Change Password. After that, your password should be updated successfully. And that's it. Your GoDaddy password has now been changed. If you're signed in on other devices, you may need to log in again using your new password, so keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.